If you are in a business right now and you are having your factories, offices, shops, and other assets, but if you are not having digital assets, then you are at a big loss, because nowadays everything is online, and so your business also needs to have some digital assets which can create a long term wealth for you. My name is Amit Kumar Uparelli, and for past 21 plus years, I have been helping businesses to scale, to grow, and build perpetual wealth. And this is my firm belief that in today's world, where almost everyone is online with their mobiles, where almost everybody has access to cheap internet, even in the country like India, where we are just 5G is just knocking the doors, the time right now is to create your digital assets. And sometimes you will think that I'm in a production business, I'm in some kind of old school business, I'm a trader, I'm a distributor, I'm a dealer. How this digital assets will be beneficial to me? In this video, we are going to discuss all these things, and I will show you how you can leverage that. In this video, I'll show you how you can use your digital assets to scale your business, to grow your business. First of all, I'll be showing you some concepts regarding the digital assets. Then, I will show you which are the digital assets of your business and how you can use those assets to grow your business. And in the end, I will be showing you your next steps also. So, let's start. First thing is, I've taken this concept from Rich Dad Poor Dad, wherein Robert Kiyosaki says that your asset is something that puts money in your pocket. So if something you are looking to get categorized as asset, then it must create money for you. Second thing is, this digital assets, they create your brand, they create your brand persona. You need this to connect with audience. Otherwise, your audience will not get connected with you if your brand persona is not there. And you have got fixed timings for your business, you have got fixed timings for your working. But these digital assets, they work for you 24/7 without any breaks. Even when you are sleeping, these digital assets, they create wealth for you, they create money for you, they create profits for you, they create sales for you. So let us see which are the digital assets in your business. There are 8 kinds of digital assets for a typical business. There might be some more assets, but these are typically true for all the businesses. First thing is your website. Your website is your biggest digital asset. It is your address online wherein people can come, they can visit you, and they can see who you are, what you do, and they get connected with you. So your website is most important piece of your business, whatever business you are, whether you have got a hair cutting salon, or you have got a big industry, you have got a big factory, big company. This is true for everyone. Next thing is, your biggest digital asset is your sales page. If you are not having sales page, you are missing a big time. Your sales page is like a store. It is your store which is open 24/7. It is open for you, and it gets you money. While you sell online, people can visit your sales page at any time, at any given time, and what they can do is they can buy things from there on their own convenience. So your sales page is your most important digital asset. Then your customer list. This is something which most people ignore. People do not have the list of people who have bought things from them, and this the people are missing big time. You must be having your customers' WhatsApp numbers, emails, so that you can send them communication whenever you are launching something new, you are launching some new product, or anything you are doing for them, anything you are doing to add value to our customers. You should have some contact point, and these are the people who have expressly given you their permission to contact them via email, WhatsApp. So this is your biggest asset. Then your social media following, the number of people who follow you, but rather than the kind of people who follow you. If your audience is not relevant on social media, then it is useless. But yes, if you have got social media following, you have got good social media following, people who relate with you, relate with your products, relate with your brand, then it is a great digital asset, because these people will bring in more people. These people will create visibility for your content. Next is your email and WhatsApp messages. See, whenever a customer comes into your ecosystem, you will be sending them some welcome emails, some notification emails about your products, your services, WhatsApp messages. These formats are also a digital asset. because once you put them into some WhatsApp API or email autoresponder, then it works on itself. It works for you. It works for you 24/7. Next is your content. The biggest example is your YouTube channel videos or whatever content you are putting on the social media. That is also your online digital asset. Your network, the kind of people you are networking with, the kind of influences who are getting attracted, kind of people you are getting you are connecting with your product. This is your digital asset. And the collaborations that you make online, the collaborations that you make with other influencers, your competitors, people who provide supplementary services, these collaborations are also your biggest digital asset. Now let us understand how you can use these digital assets. There are only 5 ways to use all these digital assets so that you can grow your business, you can increase your profits, you can increase your sales. First thing is you need to create a brand. And how you create brand? With your message, your connectivity with your audience, your connectivity with your clients, how they connect with you, what is your message, how you are delivering that message. These all things count. Next thing is you attract this audience. Once you have got your messaging right, then you attract your audience, the people who relate with you, who relate with your brand, who relate with your ideology, who relate with your products, who relate with the other people who are using your products. Then what you need to do is you need to engage with that audience. Once you have got the audience, you have attracted the audience, then you need to engage with the audience. You need to know what they are looking for from you, what they are looking for from your brand, what they are looking for from your products, your services. Even if you are in service business, you need to get your audience engaged. Once your audience is engaged, then you need to convert them into your customers. But when you convert these people into your customers, your job doesn't end. Your job ends when you convert these customers into clients. See, there is a difference between customers and clients. Customers are transactional. They will come to you, they'll buy your product, and then they will go away. But clients, they are relational. They will stay with you for a long duration of time. So it is your duty, using all these digital assets, that you convert them into your clients. And if you have found value from this video, these are your next 3 steps. What I would want you to do is I would want you to like and subscribe to this channel and comment your learning below. It is also a digital asset. When you put your learning below from this video, other people will get inspiration from that, and it will create a chain wherein everybody gets value out of this thing. I'll be putting you so many this kind of value videos on this channel. So if you subscribe, you will get notification and you will never miss any important update. Next thing is I would want you to download a free guide that I have specially created for businesses to implement the things, wherein you can implement some automations which do not cost you a single penny, but you can have lots of freedom. So if you are interested in doing that, then I'll be putting the link to this guide into the comments so that you can download this guide. And if you are looking to build a great brand, whether online, offline, see, it doesn't matter, because business building principles are immortal. These are the tools which you can use. This is some systematic way to use to build a great brand. But for past 21 plus years, I have been helping businesses to grow their brand, grow their profits, grow their business, and create an immortal business, perpetual business model, what I call. If you are looking to do that, and that too with utmost freedom, health, wealth, everything, then what I would want you to do is I would want you to meet me live in my next webinar. So what I'll do is I'll put the link of my next webinar into the description below so that you can go to that page, you can register yourself, and you can meet me live on the webinar where I'll be decoding for you specially how you can create a business that runs itself on auto mode and creates perpetual wealth for you. Till then, I'm Amit Kumar Uparelia.